Hello there, friends. Greetings. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here today with Emerald. Incredible stuff. Sometimes when life gets crazy, when life gets heavy, it's good to just take a gemstone, especially like Emerald. Incredibly powerful stuff. And just sit in the shade with nature. Soak it all in. Think about where we came from, why we're here in the first place, and meditate. Get some peace and tranquility, which Emerald is great for. It's a gemstone of joy, a gemstone of tranquility, renewal, growth. It's been used as a symbol for renewal, growth, and success for thousands and thousands of years. Since the dawn of civilization, men have used, and women, have used Emerald to bring prosperity, success, and good luck into your life. Helps give you a fresh perspective when things get heavy. It's a good one to just sit and meditate with. Promotes deeper thought, deeper meditations, communication with divine sources, God, the universe, angels, celestial sources, the universe, whatever you want to call it, friends. We're all talking about the same thing. It's all good stuff. And Emerald from CosmicCuts.com is truly great stuff for that. Really can't say enough about Emerald. Truly incredible. Provides vitality for the heart, vitality for the soul. It's going to enhance your creativity, and it's really good for cooperation and balance with big groups of people. So if you're working with a bunch of people, helps get those creative juices flowing, promotes a sense of cohesiveness, so you have less fights. And the fights that you do have, it helps you see things from their perspective. Excellent gemstone. But enough of me yapping, friends. It's a beautiful day. Sitting here in the shade. I'm just gonna meditate. I'm just gonna breathe in and breathe out and become one with nature. Something we all need to do, particularly in these crazy times we're living in, friends. Have an excellent day. I know I certainly will, with Emerald from CosmicCuts.com, in my heart, in my body, and in my soul. Have an incredible day.